bigger than that in Ferguson.
Yes, sir, Chad.
That we're bigger than that. We're still going to smile today, and we're still going to get along today. So you can release another video tomorrow. It is not going to turn us against each other in this community.
We appreciate the last night my children was able to come out here and protest in peace. And we thank you for being here to protect us.
I tell you what, I was standing up on the hill there, and the tear gas was coming up there, and I had to wipe mine.
We appreciate you coming to keep us safe.
All right.
They scared of this right here. They ain't never want to see none of this, fam. St. Louis ain't never been this united, fam.